Yeah, yes. Good morning. Good afternoon, all my dear students. So, dear all students, good afternoon. Please unmute your mic and talk with me. Malahar, Aniket, Amruta, Pradanesh, Vinayak. All of you, am I audible, right? Hello. Hello, please, all of you, unmute your mic. Hello. Hello. Please, anyone unmute your mic, all of you, and make your video on. Aniket, Mr. Aniket.
Mr.
Hello. Am I audible or not? How can I how you respond to me?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you
sir,
are
you are
audible.
audible. Yes, sir, you are
Yeah,
audible.
at least you have to unmute. You have to tell me. No, I am simply shouting. Okay, okay, fine. Very nice to see you all. So please, can you show your face? Please, all of you, make your audio and video on. Yes, I am on my video. So please, dear all students, make your video on.
Good.
Yes, good afternoon. Remaining all students, make your video on, please. Pawar, Naupur Pawar, Pragati, Pradanesh, Rajeshwari. Yes, Aniket, very nice. How are you, Aniket?
Fine, sir.
Okay, good. Pradanesh, please. At least show me all of you your face. Okay, some of them are hesitant to showing you their face. Don't do like that, okay? It's fine. Okay. So dear all students, myself, I will share you my screen here. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Dear all students, this is myself. My name, Professor Srikant Salotegi, or shortly you have to call Salotegi sir. Okay. And this is my qualification. For your please unmute, don't make a noise. Please unmute. Who is that? Okay, fine. . Yes, dear all students. Uh, Before that, I will introduce about myself and okay. So myself, Professor Srikant Salotegi. So my complete qualification is BE MTech and pursuing my PhD at Vishweshwarya Technological University, VTU, Belgaum. Okay. So dear all students, for your batch, I have to handle one of the subject that is microprocessors. There is a one subject for your DSY batch students, that is microprocessor subject. So that one subject I will handle for you. And for this subject, both theoretical exam is there and practical is also there. Practical we have to say POE, practical overall examinations, as well as both practical and theory is uh, okay. Directly before starting the subject, today's this session, this is the first session what I am handling for you. And for today's session, just I'll give you brief introduction about the microprocessor. Okay, so microprocessor, I think all of you studied in diploma. Yes or no, please? Can you respond me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you studied, right?
Yes, sir.
It means that it's very, very easy for you. Okay. So, dear all students, after I given my introduction to you, so just one or two lines, I need your introduction. So whatever the names I called, please make your video on and give me your introductions with a short single minute. Okay. So I will stop to sharing the screen for the introductions. So I will call upon uh, uh, first that Amruta Advani. Please make you audio and video on. Yes, yes,
Yes,
Amruta.
sir.
Amruta ji, कैसा है आप?
Yes, sir.
How are you? You
Yes,
are
sir.
fine.
I'm good.
Okay. Please, can you
Yes.
introduce
Um,
yourself?
yes. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Amruta Pradeep Advani. I have completed my diploma from New Satara College of Engineering and Management, Polytechnic, Korti, Pandharpur.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice, Amruta ji. Have a nice day to you. Next, I will call upon
Thank you, sir.
Nikhil. Nikhil
Yes,
Jadhav,
sir.
please.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nikhil Jadhav. I am from Mangaveda. I have completed my diploma in Shivaji Polytechnic College, Sangola.
Okay, very nice. Uh, Welcome to you first, very. Have a nice day.
Thanks, sir.
So next, I will call upon Malahar. Please make your audio and video on.
A very good afternoon, sir. My
Yeah.
name is Malhar Manish Gadde. I'm from Solapur. I had studied my polytechnical diploma in A.G. Patil Polytechnic Institute, Solapur.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to
Thank you.
Sweri. Okay. Next, I will call upon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Rajeshwari.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Can you introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rajeshwari Ghodke, and I live in Pandharpur, and I have completed my diploma from the same college.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day and welcome to the
Thank you,
Sweri.
sir. Thank
Okay.
you,
Now
sir.
I will call upon Avinash. Mr. Avinash, please introduce yourself. Avinash ji, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Please, are you introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Avinash Prabhakar Udta. I am from Solapur. My diploma completed in VVP Polytechnic, Solapur.
Okay, Vinasji, have a nice day. Welcome first. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now I will call upon Pragati Mane.
Yes, sir. My name is Pragati Narayan Mane. I am from Mangalwada. I completed my diploma from Brahmadev Dada Mane Polytechnic, Solapur.
Okay, Pragati, thank you. Have a nice day. Welcome first. Very good.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, next I'll call upon Abhishek.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Abhishek Siddharam Korosgaon. I am from Solapur. I have completed my diploma in Government Polytechnic, Solapur.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek ji. Have a nice day. Welcome to Very Group. And next I will call upon, I think only these many members. Amuda, Aniket. So next I'll call upon Divya Kamble.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Divya Kamble. I have completed my diploma in VP Polytechnic from Solapur.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Welcome to Very Group.
Thank you, sir.
Next I'll call upon Nupur Pawar.
Good morning, sir. I'm Nupur Pawar. I have completed my diploma in same college.
It is time to say good afternoon.
Sorry, good afternoon, sir. I'm Nupur Pawar. I have completed my diploma in same college.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Have a nice day. Welcome to Very CSC Group. So next, Prasad Sinde.
Good afternoon, sir. I am from Mangalwada. I am completed diploma from Captive Technical Campus, Sangula.
Okay, very nice. Have a nice day. Welcome to this very CSC team. So, okay, next, Vinayak. I think Vinayak Jadhav. Vinayak Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please can you introduce?
Very good afternoon.
Yeah, good
Yes,
afternoon.
sir.
Please.
Very good afternoon to one and all. Sir, my name is Vinayak Ravindra Jadhav. I am from Solapur.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Very nice day. Welcome for the very CSC team.
Hello.
Yeah. So I think everyone is over. Or is there anyone is remaining? Please, if anyone is remaining, please introduce yourself. Okay, thank you. Yeah, anyone is remaining? I think all are over.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine, fine. Yeah, fine. Okay, dear all students, one more time, I will good afternoon, one and all. Very nice day, and all of you, welcome for Sweri CSC department. Hope all of you have enjoying your previous days after diploma between 1 or 2 months, and really I appreciate you. All of you are choice one of the good reputed institute for your future degree. For that, I will appreciate, and whatever your futures things is going within the Sweri, I will congratulate to you and wish you best of luck for the Sweri. Okay. So, dear all students, for your team, your batch, I have to conduct one of the main core subject, that is microprocessor, for the DSY students. Okay. So dear all students, before directly going to a lecture because of this is today's is first session. I have to take introduction about microprocessor. At the first and foremost, I have to introduce about the microprocessor. So in this microprocessor, just I have to prepare the one slide for you. So that is, I will put in front of you. So dear all students, my voice is clearly audible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And is it my screen is clearly visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very nice. Yes. So today, just I'll give you brief introduction about the microprocessor. So, dear all students, we have to study any subject, any of the subject in the department. We have to study from the basic things, least basic things. First, in depth, we have to understand what is the subject and what are the parameters are included in this subject, and this subject, any subject you have to choose that subject, applications, it means advantages or usefulness for our in future lifestyle, and whatever the some short kind of drawbacks also we have to study. So later on, day by day, from in depth, from 0.2 up to last point, last matter, last topic of that subject, we have to study it in depth. Then only we are perfect. Then only we have to become a perfect in that particular subject. It may be any subject of any semester. So one, I will request you all, my dear student, every day you have to regularly attend the lectures, all the lectures, whatever conducted by CSC department, and each and every subject, what the teacher is taught in the class, those you have to concentrate more at the first, and that subject teachers, whatever they are providing, study materials, please all of you collect that study material at the first point. And the second point, you have to collect books and textbook as per suggestion from particular subject in charge staff. You have to collect study materials, notes, textbooks, and at the lastly, reference books. So all these three study materials, stop notes, first one, second one, textbook, and third one, reference books. These three study materials are more than enough for you for any subject. So this is the best basic needful things to you. And in any subject you have to choose from the depth history. It means from the zeroth position, zeroth point from that subject. You have to daily study day by day. Every day you have to study only bit things. अभी every day आप थोड़ा चीज़ पढ़ाई कर दे दो, लेकिन you have to study perfectly. So these things you have to follow for any of the subject. And now I will come to my particular subject, that is microprocessor for your DSY first semester. There is a one subject called microprocessor. I hope all of you studied this microprocessor subject in your diploma course, hopefully. So if you studied, it's well and good. If you not studies, no, this subject is for your syllabus in the diploma, but how much in depth you studied, I don't know. But whatever the percentage you have to study in the diploma, left it out again, and by the fresh you start to study from today onwards. Is it okay? So for that, at the beginning, just my whole today's lecture is introduction. Just I'll give you a brief introduction about the microprocessor, and next lecture onwards, I have to start real subject of real syllabus of microprocessor subject as per prescribed syllabus of University PAH Solapur. Okay, so as the subject name itself said that microprocessor. So what is microprocessor? First and foremost important, by name itself saying that it is a microprocessor. So suddenly the thoughts is rises in our mind, in your mind. What is microprocessor? So just dear all students, you make this single word breaks into two words. How it becomes? Whatever this microprocessor, all of you see on the screen, name of the subject is microprocessor. So you have to break into two words. One is micro and another is processor. Yes or no? So micro plus processor, it becomes a microprocessor. So all of you heard the word, even you know very well, micro. What is micro? In mathematically, we speak that micro means 10 raised to the power minus 6, isn't it? Micro it means 10 raised to power minus 6. It means that the decimal point 0, 0, 0 up to 5 zeros, continuous 5 zeros up to 1. 10 raised to minus 6 value is 0.000001. This is smallest value. 10 raised to minus 6 smallest value. That one you are going to process. That much smallest particle you are going to process it. Okay, just a second. There is a problem of network. 1 minute. Create an account. Hello, please, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I think my screen is goes off automatically. Yes. Okay, fine. Yeah. So how to define? Micro means that is 10 raised to the power minus 6. That much minute things, minute value, minute particles. We are going to, what we will do? Next word, processor. So what is the processor? Whatever the things or whatever the task we are going to do, we are going to perform a particular work. Processor means whatever the task we are going to perform a particular work or particular task is nothing but processor. Processor means how we have to define, that is the task is going to be under the execution, under the time coverage, under to give the good output after completion of process. So what from you, whatever given input to a particular system and whatever you are getting a output from the system. So input to output, whatever the work is happening, that one you have to say processor, isn't it? So now you are clear idea about micro and processor. Smallest value to carry the work. Micro means smallest value. Processor means to carry the work. So these two different words together become a microprocessor. So these two words together means micro plus microprocessor, that become a microprocessor. So whatever this minute, very minute means 10 raised to power of minus 6, that much small minute value you are going to be to do the particular task, to perform a particular task on a particular system, that is nothing but microprocessor. Don't by heart it. Down रट्टा मारने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. The name itself says the definitions. So in this microprocessor, in textbookly how we have to define, there is a one clear definition. Microprocessor is a multi-purpose. It's a multi-purpose programmable logic device that reads binary instruction from a storage device. What is the binary instruction? All 0 and 1, because our computer is only knows 0 and 1s. Apart from that, computer don't know anything. So by using 0 and 1, we have to create a very minute particles of instructions. From that instruction, it may be a storage devices of the memory, computer memory, and accept some binary data, binary functions as input. So this binary means what? 0 and 1 as the input, and that 0 and 1 is going to be processed in the instruction for execution. So this is the definition of microprocessor. So in a single sentence, how we are going to define at lastly, microprocessor is a multi-purpose programmable logic device that reads binary instruction from a storage device memory and accept binary data as input and process the instruction for execution. This is the perfect definition of microprocessor. And here I will show you, these are the some chips for the microprocessor Intel. So all of you heard, if you have a computer, if you have a laptop, if you have a desktop, and you have to ask what is the hard disk, what is the hard disk capacity, what is the what you say motherboard, and what is the processor. Main thing is processor you are asking. It may be a core to duo processor, dual core processor, i3 processor, i5 processor. Nowadays in the marketing, i7 processor is also available. So these are the processor. Every computer is having a one processor. So that processor is like but a brain in the human being. How human being brain is works, same way the processor is works in the computer. Each and every functionality is going to be happened by the brain in the human body, right? Like that, each and every functionality is happened in the computer by the help of processor. So that processor we are going to use it in the computer. So this is the things of definitions of microprocessor. In next, so this one small chip in the olden days, that one I have to mention here, Intel first 4004 microprocessor. That first 4004 microprocessor, this is a very old. So here now we are studying, I think in the diploma also you studied 8085 or 8086. Am I right? In diploma I am asking.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So previous to 8085 and 8086, we called microprocessor as 4004 microprocessor. Why means actually the name of this 8085 and 8085 8086 I'll explain you later in as usual our daily lecture. So first you have to understand the basic things. That is at the beginning we call it as 4004 microprocessor. So this 4004 microprocessor, it is depends upon whatever the bit capacity we are using in those days, in olden days. So this 4, the number 4 is indicates that 4 bits. That is 4 bits means 4000, and that remaining last 4 number is indicates that it is an offset value. Offset value means there is a instruction pointer is there for the instruction pointer and manipulating your instruction pointer to address bus. Address bus is having a 20-bit capacity and instruction pointer is having a 16-bit capacity. To manipulate, to map between address bus to the instruction pointer, we have to use again 4 bits. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 bits of address lines. These things we will study in real subject. So this one, just I have to explain that why it is 4004 microprocessor at the beginning, at the starting point of inventors. So 4 is indicates totally 4 bits, and this 4 remaining 4 is indicates offset values to mapping the instruction pointer to the address pointer, and entire this 4 bits purpose they have to use it as 4004 microprocessor in olden days. So that symbolically we have to show this is the microprocessor chip at the beginning we are going to be used. So this microprocessor chip is like a ICs, integrated circuits, like gates you have to use it now in the logic design, AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NOT gate, and NAND gate. These gates you are using, right? This is looks like same as that gates, logic gates at the olden days. So this is your first microprocessor chip existence in the world. So next, again up to that again they have to work on more on this, and they have to simplify it with square, rectangle kinds of microprocessor chips. These